A wonderful corner property on a quiet cul-de-sac. Welcome to 2 Chatsmere Place, a charming 3+1 bedroom brick bungalow with 2 washrooms nestled within a family-minded neighbourhood of East Toronto. Featuring an attached double-car garage and yards surrounded by fencing or hedges, an interlocking walkway leads to an open front porch, while another walkway continues to the side yard's patio area. The front door and its sidelight have decorative glass inserts and open into a main level that has been freshly painted and updated throughout. New, high-quality wide plank vinyl flooring flows from room to room, and off the main hall is the entry into the living room. With a deep ledge ideal for indoor plants, its oversized bay window also allows for wonderful outdoor views. And with its openness to the dining room, both natural light and the ambient glow of a contemporary light fixture brighten these lovely entertaining spaces. The dining room window is dressed with a cornice, as is the bay window, its wall-to-wall length allowing for versatility and dramatic flair, while adding an elegant finishing touch to both rooms are crown moldings. For entertaining convenience, the dining room has direct access from the updated kitchen, a brightly lit working space showcasing a crisp white color palette and a modern design with great functionality. Appliances include a fridge with bottom mount freezer, oven with smooth cooktop, as well as built-in microwave and dishwasher. The cabinetry has molded uppers, undermount lighting, modern hardware, and exceptional storage including a pantry, and the quartz counter is complemented with a subway tiled backsplash. The stainless steel double undermount sink has a large window above it, and pot lighting accentuates the clean white brightness of the space. Off the kitchen is the hallway to the bedrooms, as well as stairs to a lower mid-landing with a separate entrance into the home. A linen closet is conveniently placed outside the 4-piece washroom, which has been updated with a contemporary vanity, a tiled bath and shower area, as well as new plumbing fixtures. The 3 bedrooms on this level are all spacious and have large windows allowing for plenty of natural light. The second and third bedrooms have good-sized closets with single doors, while the master bedroom has a double closet. And all 3 bedrooms additionally feature wall-to-wall cornices with their windows. Along with its many beautiful updates, this home also features an 8-year-old furnace and air conditioner, and for added living and entertaining space, a fully finished lower level with oversized windows throughout, as well as great storage and utility space. Off the lower landing is a laundry room with new high-quality white plank vinyl flooring, washer and dryer, and a workshop area, and outside the room is a large double closet. The bedroom wing has a door to maintain its privacy from the recreation space, and this section of the lower level features a closet, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, pedestal sink, and a corner glass shower, as well as a very generously sized bedroom with cozy carpeting. The huge recreation area is also carpeted and features pot lighting as well as a bar area, and offers plenty of space for personal enjoyment or entertaining with family and friends. A short walk to Bendale Public and St. Richard Catholic Elementary Schools, TTC bus service, parks, and trails. This wonderful home is also just a short drive to a hospital, Cedarbrae and Scarborough Town Centre malls, as well as the Scarborough Golf and Country Club. While commuters enjoy proximity to the McCowan subway station, the Guildwood GO and Via Rail station, and access to Highway 401. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.